We live in a world saturated with information. Every day we are bombarded with data from countless sources, whether it's through our smartphones, computers, or other digital devices. This constant flow of information has become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping how we work, communicate, and even think. We can communicate with anyone, anywhere, in an instant, whether it's a video call with a loved one across the globe, a quick text message to a friend, or a business meeting conducted over the internet. The ability to connect instantly has revolutionized our world. This seamless communication is something we often take for granted, but it is a marvel of modern technology. This remarkable feat of modern technology is made possible by antennas. These devices, often hidden in plain sight, are the silent workhorses behind our connected world. They are the key components that enable our devices to send and receive signals, making real-time communication possible. These often overlooked devices are the unsung heroes of our connected world. Without them, the vast network of communication we rely on would simply not exist. Antennas are everywhere, from the rooftops of urban buildings to the remote corners of rural landscapes, quietly doing their job. They serve as invisible bridges, seamlessly transmitting and receiving data through the air. This invisible web of connections allows us to share information, access the internet, and stay in touch with others, no matter where we are. The efficiency and reliability of these transmissions are crucial to the functioning of our modern society. Antennas are fundamental to countless technologies we rely on daily, from the smartphones in our pockets to the Wi-Fi routers in our homes and the satellites orbiting the Earth. Antennas are at the heart of these devices. They enable everything from simple voice calls to complex data transfers, making our digital lives possible. They are the backbone of radio and television broadcasting, satellite communication, cellular networks, and Wi-Fi. Without antennas, these essential services would not be able to function. They ensure that we can listen to our favorite radio stations, watch television, make phone calls, and access the internet. Without antennas, our world would be a very different place. Imagine a world where communication is limited to wired connections, where mobility is restricted, and where the flow of information is slow and cumbersome. The absence of antennas would take us back to a time when distance and geography were significant barriers to communication. We would be tethered to wires, our ability to communicate limited by distance and geography. The freedom and convenience we enjoy today, thanks to wireless communication, would be lost. Our modern lifestyle, which relies heavily on instant and mobile communication, would be drastically altered. This essay delves into the fascinating world of antennas. We will explore how these devices have evolved over time, from their humble beginnings to the sophisticated technology we use today. Understanding the history and development of antennas gives us a deeper appreciation of their role in our lives. We will explore their history, evolution, and profound impact on our lives, from the early experiments with radio waves to the development of modern communication networks. Antennas have played a crucial role in shaping our world. Their impact is far-reaching, influencing everything from personal communication to global information exchange. From the pioneering work of James Clerk Maxwell and Heinrich Hertz, who laid the theoretical foundations for electromagnetic waves, to the practical applications developed by inventors and engineers, the story of antennas is rich with innovation and discovery. To the latest advancements in fifth generation and beyond, antennas continue to evolve. The development of 5G technology promises faster speeds, lower latency, and more reliable connections, further enhancing our ability to communicate and access information. Researchers and engineers are constantly pushing the boundaries of what antennas can do. The story of antennas is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of connection. From the early days of radio to the cutting-edge technology of today, antennas have been at the forefront of our quest to connect with one another. Their evolution reflects our ever-growing need for faster, more efficient communication. Join me on this journey as we unravel the secrets of these remarkable devices. We will look at how antennas work, the science behind their design, and the various types of antennas used in different applications. By understanding these aspects, we can better appreciate the technology that keeps us connected and discover how they have shaped our past, define our present, and will continue to mold our future. The story of antennas is not just about technology. It's about our desire to connect, share, and communicate. As we look to the future, antennas will undoubtedly play a crucial role in the continued advancement of our digital world. The story of antennas begins with the discovery of electromagnetic waves. These waves, invisible to the naked eye, are fundamental to the way we communicate and interact with the world today. They are the backbone of modern technology, enabling everything from radio broadcasts to Wi-Fi signals. This groundbreaking discovery, a pivotal pivotal moment in scientific history, laid the foundation for the wireless world we know today. It was a time of great curiosity and exploration, where scientists were beginning to understand the unseen forces that govern our universe. Scottish physicist James Clerk Maxwell in the mid-19th century first theorized the existence of these waves. His work was revolutionary, providing a new way to understand the relationship between electricity and magnetism. His equations elegantly described how electricity and magnetism are intertwined and propagate through space as waves of energy. These equations, known as Maxwell's equations, are still fundamental to the field of electromagnetism today. Maxwell's theory, however, remained unproven until the brilliant experiments of German physicist Heinrich Hertz. Hertz was determined to validate Maxwell's predictions and embarked on a series of meticulous experiments. In the 1880s, Hertz meticulously constructed an apparatus to generate and detect these elusive waves. His setup included a spark gap transmitter and a loop antenna receiver, which allowed him to observe the behavior of electromagnetic waves. He successfully demonstrated that electromagnetic waves could travel through the air, confirming Maxwell's predictions. This was a monumental achievement, proving that these waves were not just theoretical constructs, but real physical phenomena. Hertz's experiments were not merely a scientific breakthrough. They opened the door to a new era of communication. His work showed that it was possible to transmit information wirelessly, a concept that would revolutionize the world. Hertz's apparatus, though rudimentary, contained the essential elements of a modern communication system: a transmitter to generate electromagnetic waves and a receiver to detect them. This basic setup laid the groundwork for the development of more sophisticated communication technologies. Little did he know that his work would spark a revolution, leading to the invention of a device that would change the world: the antenna. Antennas became the key to harnessing the power of electromagnetic waves, enabling the transmission and reception of signals over vast distances. From the early days of radio to the modern era of satellite communication, antennas have been at the heart of our ability to connect with one another. Today, antennas are ubiquitous, found in everything from our smartphones to our cars. They are a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the scientists who first unlocked the secrets of electromagnetic waves. As we continue to innovate and explore new frontiers in communication technology, the legacy of Maxwell and Hertz lives on, reminding us of the power of human curiosity and the endless possibilities of scientific discovery. The journey from Maxwell's theoretical equations to Hertz's experimental validation and beyond is a story of relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a journey that has transformed our world, making the once impossible possible. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what new discoveries await, driven by the same spirit of inquiry that propelled Maxwell and Hertz to greatness. The invention of the antenna is credited to Guglielmo Marconi, a young Italian inventor. Born in 1874, Marconi showed an early interest in science and electricity. His curiosity led him to explore the possibilities of wireless communication, a field that was still in its infancy at the time. Inspired by Hertz's work, Marconi dedicated himself to harnessing the power of electromagnetic waves for practical communication. Heinrich Hertz had demonstrated the existence of these waves, but it was Marconi who saw their potential for long-distance communication. He began experimenting in his attic, using rudimentary equipment to send signals across his family's estate. In 1895, he achieved a historic breakthrough. After countless trials and errors, Marconi managed to transmit a wireless signal over a distance of 1.5 miles. This was a monumental achievement, proving that wireless communication was not just a theoretical possibility, but a practical reality. Marconi successfully transmitted a wireless signal over a distance of 2 kilometers, marking the birth of wireless telegraphy. This initial success spurred him to further refine his technology, leading to even greater distances being covered. His work caught the attention of the Italian government, which provided him with funding to continue his research. His invention, a simple yet elegant device, consisted of a wire attached to a tall pole. This wire acted as an antenna, capable of sending and receiving electromagnetic waves. The design was straightforward but highly effective, allowing for the transmission of signals over previously unimaginable distances. This was the first practical antenna capable of efficiently radiating and capturing electromagnetic waves. Marconi's antenna design was revolutionary, providing a reliable means of wireless communication. It was a significant improvement over earlier attempts, which had been plagued by issues of range and reliability. Marconi's invention had a profound impact, rapidly transforming the world of communication. His work laid the groundwork for the development of modern communication systems, influencing everything from radio to television to the internet. The ability to send information wirelessly changed the way people interacted, conducted business, and even waged war. Wireless telegraphy revolutionized revolutionized maritime communication, enabling ships at sea to stay connected with the shore. This was particularly important for safety, as it allowed for the rapid transmission of distress signals. Marconi's technology was soon adopted by navies and commercial shipping companies around the world, making the seas safer for everyone. The ability to send messages across vast distances without the need for wires was a game changer, paving the way for a new era of global communication. This breakthrough had far-reaching implications, affecting not just maritime communication, but also land-based systems. It enabled the rapid dissemination of news and information, shrinking the world in ways that had never been possible before. Marconi's pioneering work laid the foundation for the development of radio broadcasting, television, and countless other wireless technologies that define our modern world. His contributions to science and technology were recognized with numerous awards, including the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1909. Marconi's legacy lives on in the myriad devices and systems that rely on wireless communication today. His invention of the antenna marked the beginning of a wireless revolution that continues to shape our lives today. From the smartphones in our pockets to the satellites orbiting the Earth, Marconi's influence is everywhere. His vision of a world connected by invisible waves has become a reality, transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. The early 20th century witnessed the rapid evolution of antenna technology, driven by the burgeoning field of radio broadcasting. Antennas transitioned from simple wire structures to more sophisticated designs, enabling the transmission of audio signals over longer distances and with greater clarity and precision. The development of the vacuum tube amplifier played a crucial role in amplifying radio signals, allowing for the transmission of stronger signals that could reach wider audiences. Antennas became larger and more complex, often taking the form of towering structures strategically placed on high ground to maximize signal coverage and efficiency. Radio broadcasting, powered by these advancements in antenna technology, quickly captivated the world and changed it forever. People gathered around their radio sets, eagerly listening to news, music, and entertainment from around the globe. Antennas had bridged continents, connecting people in ways never before imagined or thought possible. The golden age of radio had begun, and with it, the antenna's role as a powerful medium of mass communication was firmly established. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay informed.